Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Today, in additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, February the 9th, 2022. We have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku. Second one, a 2 stars Sudoku. Then we have a 3 stars Sudoku. Tectonic. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star and one binary puzzle. Total of 6 extra puzzles, and these puzzles I'm not interested. So 6 extra puzzles, I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. I've already solved today 3 regular Sudoku, so it's too much for me, time consuming, so only 3. Only half of them I will solve. And this one with 3 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, will be number 4102. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've already counted 25 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? A 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. And for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 1s, 3 2s, 2 3s, 3 4s, 4 5s. Okay. 4 6s. Okay. 1 7, or 2 8s, and 3 9s. Okay. So let's get started. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. Well, we have a 6 in this third row, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here 6 in this column, so no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, though, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Alright, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. Alright. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, last column, 5 in that column. So the column between the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me see. How about? Yeah. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the third row. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, I cannot continue with 1. How about? Well, we have here 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in the middle row. So no 4 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 3, 4 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7 and 8. 7 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 1 box left should be the 9. Alright. Okay. Let me see. Still having troubles with my voice. Yeah. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright. Then. Let me see. How about? Yeah. 3, 7, 2. Yeah. I'm thinking. Yeah. 1, 4, 8. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. And look, we have a 1 and a 4 in this column. So no 1 and a 4 in this box. The 1 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. There's a pair, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and a 4. Here we have also a pair, 1 and a 4. Okay. So 1 digit left in the second row for the number, I believe the 8. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, yeah, the 8. Alright, 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 3. Okay. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have marked those 2 boxes, 1 and a 4. So it cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 1. So 1 box left in the second row for the number 4. Alright. Okay. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. Okay. And now. How about? Let me think. Here should be also 7 and a 3. 7, 3, and 9. Yeah, we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Well, we have a pair, 7 and 3. Okay. Here also, 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 3. Okay. Let me see. 7. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. This box should be a 3. And 1 box left in the third column should be number 7. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 7 and a 3, well, 1 digit left in this big square should be the 3. 1, 2, 3, yes. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Two numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. Now we have two missing numbers in this big square. Four numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Then 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Okay, 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. We have a 7 there, so this box will be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7 and this box should be an 8. Final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is also missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Wow, surprising, amazing, yes. Well, is this a 3 stars? Well, no. I give this rather a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm analyzing these numbers, the center box of a big square. I'm curious about these numbers. Let me write it down. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, and 8, 2, 7. 8, 2, 7. So we have a triple pair, the 2, and the 8, normal pair. Okay, interesting. Okay, so I will see you later for the other 2 puzzles, a binary and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye bye for now.